So we're almost to Haley's surprise. Are you excited?
What are you excited about? You don't even know where you're going.
Hey!
You're going to Mama's school. You're going to get your hair cut on. That's your surprise.
No.
You get your hair cut like Pawpaw's.
Hey!
Yeah, you're a beautiful boy.
I don't want. I'm not a boy.
Are they being mean to you?
Yeah.
You're right, she being mean to us.
Yeah, Mom.
Sorry. Alright, we're almost there. You're on a movie, Haley. I'd be nice if I were you. Alright, hold on.
Yeah.
Alright, we're almost there. You having fun? We're almost there.
Don't tell her when we're there, just let
Well, I'm sure she's gonna find out when we go into the parking lot. Hey, get your fingers off the lens. Quit. Alright, we're almost there.
When we get there, you're going to take a picture of me.
It's on a movie right now, Haley. It's on a movie.
Make a movie.
Yeah.
Ooh, we're going to White Castle.
What?
We're going to White Castle.
Oh, we're there.
White Castle, yay!
No.
We're there.
Yep.
Look at it.